area I throw a salute. And they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. Aston Villa 0 and Chelsea 2. And we get Stashi will be very ogbonge Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Stashi, today 3 points for Chelsea, clean sheet for Kepa, and 2 goals for Mr. Mount. Now, how you see this performance for Chelsea?
First and foremost, the performance today, very, very disappointing performance. For me, I wasn't impressed with the performance, but kudos to the boys anyways. It was a win for us. And most especially, the person where I go here pass on the match, goalkeeper Kepa. That keeper, in fact, I don't know the word that I go give that keeper, but today he impressed me well because not be small save, not Kepa save for that match. If you observe, if you observe on the match, like say not be Kepa that match, they for score like 4 or 5 goals on the match. But you dey observe and say the boy, he get the ginger to want keep that position, you understand? As it stand now so like this, I know we should say that they would the reason men's face set for the team based on the kind of deliver Kepa they deliver right now, you understand? So and thirdly, Messi Mount, impressive performance from Messi Mount. Since if you observe well since Graham Potter come Chelsea, Messi Mount don't improve for a performance for the team. You understand? The boy don't pick form. Since when what's his name Tuchel? Since the beginning of the season, man not saying I'm because of Tuchel. Now make how they perform like that. Since the beginning of the season, you observe Messi Mount never pick he never dare to pick. But since Graham Potter come, I say the boy, he don't they pick up small, you understand, and he don't they deliver. So kudos to the team. It was a poor game, but kudos to them. Because now what's important pass now say we win match, you understand? People not going to you understand? If they go check now say okay, how the match end. Even if they play rubbish, they not play. You understand? And the score and important pass and the boys they deliver 2-0, nice game, clean sheet, nice win, you understand?
So but you talk about Kepa and Mr. Mount, but between these two players, which player be your own man of the match for today's match?
Normally, the man of the match, normally na Kepa that's go give the man of the match. For me, na Kepa go give because let's not be Kepa. That match, 3 goals for enter the match, you understand? But based on saying Messi Mount, he scored the first goal. Because he scored the second goal to take close the game. Now Messi Mount to go give man of the match, you understand? And the performance normally, as I say, he scored goal, he was top notch. He played a very impressive football today. And you see I say the boy ready to work. Normally in a match carry Chelsea for his shoulder if you observe. Since last season they come. Even the time when Chelsea have not even day form. If you notice, and Messi Mount now they play all the ball. You understand? And it's just now the boy still they deliver you get. So for me, Kepa go give normally but match-wise go give out to Messi Mount.
All right. So make I ask you about Reece James now. Today we don't see Reece James and Tori when they come out about the injury update now say if he dey injured for up to 8 weeks, some say he not go see specialists and all that, and potentially some Tori people they talk say if he go miss World Cup with the way things they go. But this Chelsea performance today, you think say the team miss Reece James today for this match?
In fact, the couple of Reece James not gonna get Chelsea because it was very obvious from the beginning of the match to the end of the match. Reece James not did the match. You understand? They haven't tried one feeling the space safe. They can't bring in what's his name, Cucurella, make up play CB. Then they can't carry what's his boy name, Loftus-Cheek, may go play Reece James wing. But you say nobody replace the boy for the team because the boy performance now 100 I give Reece James, you understand? Nobody free replace him. So for me, he affects the team 100% from beginning to the end. Not until they can't bring what's his name, Koulibaly, may replace Cucurella, then Aspilicueta because only Aspilicueta they fit the match Reece James for that win. Even as people say he not a fit, but we know say if Reece James not there, the only person who maybe play that position na Aspilicueta. And when they come bring Aspilicueta, because say small composure call there for the win. That coffee made the game they balance. They not cut to the pressure also again for the match. The match can balance small, although there's still pressure also, but it can reduce small, unlike the way it be before. So Reece James for that match, 100% he affect the team.
All right now, Stashi, you now, I don't say you be very passionate Chelsea fan, you like the club doings and all. But which Chelsea player be your all-time favorite player? Would be like say all-time, now you like pass. Now which Chelsea player be that?
This question a very big question you ask me, so but I must give you answer. You understand? DJ Drogba na player who I like. Undermine the fact that the player not be very skillful player. But once the boy ball, they say he get that force to one score goals. You understand? That force, that fighting spirit DJ Drogba gets on. So for me, DJ Drogba, I'll be my all-time best player for Chelsea.
All right, Nastashi, thank you for your time.